Hello, friends. My name is Courtney. Today we're gonna make an anime scene. We're gonna need scissors, cutter, glue, tape, and printable worksheets where you can download it at iloveputterita.com. We're also gonna need cardboard. So we're gonna cut it. And we're gonna glue it. And then we need our parent to use the cutter to cut out the holes. And then we're gonna glue it to a cardboard. And then we're gonna decorate it with our tape. And now, this is our Atom sheet. If you want me to teach you how to use it, watch our next video. Goodbye! Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Give us a big like. Bye-bye.